When building a powerful modern PC, one of the most overlooked upgrades is memory. People usually focus on graphics cards and processors first, but high-speed RAM can completely change how a system feels during gaming, editing, streaming, and multitasking. And this CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 96GB memory kit is a perfect example of that next-level experience. This kit comes with two 48GB DDR5 modules running at 6000 MHz with CL36 timings, and right away you can tell it's aimed at enthusiasts who want premium performance. The design is clean and professional with a sleek gray finish that looks amazing in both gaming rigs and workstation builds. It keeps that signature Corsair style without going overboard, which honestly makes the setup feel more refined and modern. What really makes this memory stand out is the combination of huge capacity and high frequency. Having 96GB of RAM available changes the entire workflow experience. Heavy applications load faster, multitasking becomes smoother, and the system handles demanding workloads without slowing down. For content creators, this amount of memory can make a massive difference. Editing 4K or even 8K footage, rendering complex projects, working inside After Effects, running virtual machines, or using AI tools all require serious resources. This kit is designed for exactly those types of users. Gaming performance also benefits from faster DDR5 speeds. Open-world games, simulation titles, and CPU-heavy competitive games can all feel smoother when paired with high-frequency memory. While most gamers probably don't need 96GB specifically, anyone building a flagship setup will definitely appreciate the extra headroom and future-proofing. One of the best things about this kit is how simple the setup process is. Corsair included support for both AMD Expo and Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, making optimization incredibly easy. Instead of manually adjusting settings, users can simply enable the performance profile in BIOS and instantly unlock the rated speed. That convenience matters because DDR5 memory used to feel complicated during the early days of adoption. But now, kits like this feel stable, polished, and easy to use even for less experienced builders. The 6000 MHz speed is also considered a sweet spot for many modern AMD Ryzen systems while still performing excellently on Intel platforms. Applications respond quickly, file compression becomes faster, and heavy multitasking feels much smoother overall. Another important detail is thermal performance. The low-profile aluminum heat spreaders help maintain stable temperatures without creating compatibility issues with large CPU coolers. That smaller design is actually really useful for compact or airflow-focused builds. Reliability is another area where Corsair continues to perform well. Long gaming sessions, rendering projects, or extended productivity workloads feel stable and consistent. Once the Expo or XMP profile is enabled, the system operates smoothly without constant tweaking or instability. Of course, this level of performance comes with a premium price tag. This is not an entry-level upgrade or budget memory kit. It's built for serious PC users who want top-tier hardware capable of handling demanding workloads for years. The biggest advantage of going with 96GB of DDR5 memory is longevity. Software continues to become more demanding every year, games are using more resources, and AI-powered workflows are rapidly expanding. Investing in high-capacity DDR5 memory now can help keep a system fast and relevant much longer. Overall, the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 96GB 6000 MHz kit delivers impressive speed, excellent multitasking performance, strong compatibility, reliable thermals, and premium build quality. Whether you're building a high-end gaming PC, professional editing workstation, streaming setup, or productivity-focused desktop, this memory kit is designed to deliver elite-level performance. Hi guys, if you want to buy this CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM 96GB 6000 MHz kit, then please visit the link provided in the description.